Hi, I'm Monica. I'm a PhD scholar. I'm doing PhD from Delhi University. I'm JRF qualified. But today I'm here not to tell about this thing, but want to tell that my channel is not particular about a topic. You will find many different topics, videos of many different topics from different field. Because I am on a journey of self exploration. I'm trying to explore what actually drives me every day, even if nobody is paying me money for that, even that I can work for that purpose. I know many people would say it is not practical or something or something. People have different views and they are very, right at their own place, but I'm sharing here about what I think. So I'm on a journey of self exploration where I'm trying to find out what is the purpose of my life. If I do not get even money for that, that inner satisfaction, pleasure, happiness, all these are the reward for that. Even then I can do that thing. Of course, if I will get money for that, that would be a bonus point. But even I don't get money for that, even then I can do that. Because may I don't know from where this have come into me, into my personality, but I have tried so many things in my life, like after graduation, uh, um, I was a teacher, permanent teacher, in a school. But during that period I realized, no, I don't want this from my life, I want something else. Then I prepared for civil services. I gave my 3-4 years there. वो मुझसे हो नहीं पाया, but why I did civil services is that I wanted to see myself as a person who can bring some changes in the society or be in a leadership role. Every day should be a challenging day where you are learning something, you are doing something for the betterment of the society. That's why I chose civil services, but I could not do that. That's a different thing, but I have learned so many things from there. Okay, after that I did my MEd. During MEd, I was very much excited and I did that with pure intentions. And I was very, very happy. I used to live there in hostel. I didn't have so much of money there, but I enjoyed that. So I loved that. Then I worked for an organization, government organization. Even there, I used to feel ki no, this is not what I want from my life. Then I got admissions into PhD. Even in PhD, I'm feeling that no, this is not what I want from my life. I have spent half of my life in studies, and I'm feeling that no, I do not want this, and I cannot do it for the rest of my life. So I tried. So I like actually to do creative things. So I did knitting, है ना, क्रोशिया जो चलाते हैं वो सीखा मैंने. उसमें भी लगा कि नहीं, ये नहीं हो पा रहा है क्योंकि मुझे आई साइट का प्रॉब्लम है. इवन दो आई एन्जॉयड, बट आई डेंट एन्जॉय दैट मच. Then I tried candle making. Now I tried, ज्वेलरी स्टाइलिंग. उसकी वीडियोस आपको मिल जाएंगे शॉर्ट्स मेरे चैनल पे, क्योंकि ज्वेलरी तो आई लव सो मच एंड आई थिंक बहुत फीमेल्स पसंद करती हैं. बट आई हैव वेरी confidence about my sense of jewelry. Maybe someday I find, career in that. I don't know. I am on a journey of self exploration. So someday or other, maybe I find my purpose of life, for which I can get up every day. Once I read a book, Ikigai. Many of you, some of you must have gone through this book, or this book must have come across you. Now, so what happens in that book, that people in some island of Japan, there people live for hundreds of years. When researchers uh, went and studied and tried to find out the reasons ki why people live longer there, so they find out ki um, they have, every person there has something to do every day. They have find out their passion, for which they can get up every day. If they can do it every day, even when they are not feeling well. सो आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट दैट पर्पस इन माई लाइफ, और वो पर्पस मेरी लाइफ में अगर पैसा लेकर आता है, दैट वुड बी एन एडिशनल बेनिफिट, बट एटलीस्ट आई शुड हैव that passion find out. So stay tuned with me in this journey. Hopefully my journey of self exploration may help you to find out your calling, your passion for life, because this life is very precious, very precious. ओशो को मैं कभी कभी सुनती हूँ तो ओशो कहते हैं कि आप जहाँ पे खुश महसूस नहीं कर रहे हैं तो आप सोचिए अपनी ज़िंदगी वहाँ वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। तो ठीक है, कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि पेन के बिना गेन नहीं होता है, दैट आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट वो गेन करने के बाद भी पेन रहे तो देर इज़ नो यूज़ ऑफ दैट गेन, एंड इवन bearing so much of pain before that gain. So I believe in that thing. So many people may disagree, and I totally accept their disagreement, and I agree with their disagreement. So hopefully you will find so many videos of different things on my channel. Stay tuned with me in the journey of self exploration. Thank you. Bye bye.